For over 16 years, if a software engineer encountered a roadblock, the solution lived in one place. Stack Overflow built a dense repository of human knowledge, mapped out query by millions of developers globally. Then, the architecture of problem-solving shifted. Generative AI introduced a new way to search. Instead of exposing a knowledge gap in front of a public community, developers began turning to large language models. You don't feel judged asking a machine a question. As developers changed their habits, the platform's traffic patterns shifted in response. This created an unexpected secondary effect. With fewer active users on the site, downstream enterprise business conversations began to stall. When a technological disruption shifts user behavior at scale, it dismantles the utility of the legacy revenue models built on top of those platforms. To adapt, Stack Overflow pivoted. They took their 16 years of human-labeled, highly structured questions and answers and packaged it as a high-precision training dataset for AI agents and models. In August 2025, they engaged the agency 221B Baker Street to take this new Stack data licensing product to market. The mandate was clear: build qualified enterprise conversations. The initial rollout was slow. The agency deployed standard market outreach, but responses from AI developers were highly limited. Possessing a massive repository of historical data yields no results if their go-to-market strategy cannot keep pace with the rapidly evolving technical architectures of the target enterprise buyers. Faced with this friction, the team at 221B paused. They halted their outbound momentum and broke their sales strategy down to the basics. Instead of treating every prospect the same and pushing a uniform data product, they started investigating the precise technical architecture each prospective company was actually trying to build. They categorized buyers into 3 groups: engineers training small language models, developers building agentic AI systems, and teams integrating AI-powered products. Only after identifying the exact architecture did they initiate conversations. They mapped Stack Overflow's data structures directly to the pipeline's unique training requirements. Selling enterprise data in the AI era requires structural alignment with a company's engineering roadmap, rather than simply marketing a list of features. While direct outreach recalibrated, a parallel strategy emerged. The team initiated conversations around foundational data partnerships, opening doors with AI infrastructure companies like Mondi and Interface.ai. They reinforced this by connecting with decision-makers on the ground at Apex industry events, securing meetings at NVIDIA GTC, attending the HumanX Summit, and the RSA Conference in 2026. Pairing bespoke technical outreach with a targeted physical presence at key conferences builds high-level visibility within a narrow market. The shift in strategy yielded concrete results quickly. By mid-September, the first highly qualified sales opportunity entered the pipeline. From there, the momentum built steadily. To date, this tailored architectural alignment has generated 25 highly qualified enterprise opportunities. This roster includes organizations like TELUS Digital, Wolters Kluwer, Infosys, and NVIDIA. Mapping a legacy platform's historical asset directly to modern engineering requirements generates opportunities for engagement with the highest echelons of enterprise tech. The engagement is now moving past external licensing and into operational AI systems, a phase named Stack Internal. This pivot focuses on integrating Stack's semantic ontology. By doing so, they provide enterprise agentic systems with the correct organizational context and institutional decision memory. Structuring data this way improves agentic performance and reduces LLM token costs by minimizing retry loops and redundant calls. This next-generation product direction has already generated immediate pipeline interest from major infrastructure players, including Juniper Networks and Siemens. 221B Baker Street achieved their objective by discarding the standard sales playbook. They engineered a highly specific go-to-market blueprint that allows a legacy platform to successfully navigate the industry-wide shift toward generative AI.